Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am just going to teach you the last topic of class 6 biology. The name of the chapter is respiratory system, and in this video I am just going to teach you about the respiratory diseases. Now, if we are going to discuss about the respiratory diseases, what are respiratory diseases? So, diseases which occurs in our respiratory system, that diseases are known as the respiratory diseases. So, let us discuss some respiratory diseases, and the first very common disease is asthma. Most of the students were heard about this disease asthma, in which severe problem of breathing takes place. A person cannot breathe properly because of the asthma. So how this asthma occurs in the body and how this asthma takes place and what is asthma? So asthma is swelling of just wind way, airways, जहाँ से air pass हो जाती है उसमें जब swelling आ जाती है, that is known as the asthma. It is swelling of airways or air passages. Okay, now when we are discussing about the airways and air passages, okay, so airways, that means the airways is just like the air passage from where the air is passes. So in this disease the air passage becomes narrower, it becomes narrow. So because of the narrow air passage it is difficult for breathing. So if we are going to discuss about the symptoms, what are the symptoms of this? So symptoms are wheezing, coughing, and one more symptom is shortness of breath. This disease it can occur because of the some allergens जिनसे हमें एलर्जी हो जाती है, just like the dust, smoke and pollen grains. Now let us discuss other disease, and the name of that disease is bronchitis. So it is clear from the name, it occurs in the bronchial tube of the respiratory system. So when the bronchial tube inflammate, जब उसमें swelling आ जाती है, at that time this disease occurs and here more mucus is accumulate, बहुत ज़्यादा mucus formation होने लगता है. And when the more mucus is accumulate, so it can attract easily bacteria and virus and causes a severe problems. Okay, now what are the symptoms if we are going to discuss? So symptoms are normally common in all the respiratory diseases, just like wheezing, coughing, sneezing, shortness of breath, one question I think comes in your mind, what is the meaning of wheezing? Wheezing is the khadkhadahat when a person is suffering from severe sneezing and coughing. So one sound is coming, that sound is known as the wheezing. Now this bronchitis disease also occurs because of the excess tobacco consumption, smoking. A person is exposed his body during the harsh condition of air pollution. Now one more disease which is very common in kids, that is the pneumonia. This is very fatal disease and it is a bacterial disease. This disease is caused due to the bacteria, that means infection. Now so when this bacteria enters in the alveoli, जो हमारे lungs के अंदर alveoli होती है, balloon like structure, when it enters in the alveoli it starts multiplying, that means वो अपना number बढ़ाता है, it starts multiplying and it just jam the air sac. Because of that the mucus and pus are accumulate in the alveolus, जिसकी वजह से it causes a severe fever, chills, coughing, sneezing, phalgium, these types of some symptoms are there. Now one more disease is that, and the name of that disease is the tuberculosis, which is commonly known as the TB. And this disease, it also occurs due to the bacteria, and this bacteria is present in the air which enters in our body when we inhale the air. That means the bacteria which is present in the air and that enters in our body when we inhale the air. Because of the weak immunity, that means अगर immunity weak है, at that time it affects our body, especially जब डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज आती है, हमारी बॉडी में किसी चीज़ की कमी हो जाती है. ओके, नाउ दिस बैक्टीरिया स्पेशली इट इज़ अ वेरी फैटल डिजीज एंड इट अफेक्ट्स लंग्स. Firstly, it affects the lungs, and if we are not going to take the proper medication, then it also affects the different parts of our body. So for recover from the tuberculosis, a proper and well planned medicines like antibiotics are prescribed by the doctor, so a person can easily recover from the tuberculosis. Now let us discuss about the effect of air pollution on respiratory system. Effect of air pollution on respiratory system. So as we all know, the air pollution causes a extreme fatal effect on our respiratory system, because each time we are inhaling the gases, and if our surrounding is not clear, it is very much polluted, so it also affects on our respiratory system. That's why it is very necessary to clean the environment, and just air pollution should be reduced. If a person is exposed in the short duration for the air pollution, अगर कोई person कम समय के लिए air pollution में expose होता है, at that time his or her respiratory system is badly affected, because asthma, wheezing, sneezing, allergies, different types of problems will be occur. But a person is suffering from long term exposure in the air pollution, so it causes a fatal diseases like severe pneumonia, like severe asthma, in which the person require the inhaler to inhale it and the things. That's why the air pollution badly affect on the human body. Some household products are also there which affects our respiratory system, just like the naphthalene ball which we are using during when we are keeping our woolen cloths. Okay, the paint and enamel, they also affect our respiratory system. Their extreme smell and chemical also affects our respiratory system. Now some diseases are also there which occurs in the person, those who are working in a specific area, specific meal. जैसे कुछ पर्सन होते हैं जो किसी पर्टिकुलर जगह पे काम करते हैं, वहाँ पर काम करने वालों में कुछ डिफरेंट टाइप की स्पेशल डिजीजेस होती हैं विच आर नॉट वेरी कॉमन. जस्ट लाइक इफ अ पर्सन इज वर्किंग इन अ सिरेमिक or pottery or construction site, that person may be suffer from the disease whose name is silicosis. That means अगर कोई पर्सन ऐसी जगह पे काम करता है जहाँ पर पॉटरी का काम हो रहा है, सिरेमिक का हो रहा है, सैंड का हो रहा है, तो दैट पर्सन मे बी सफर फ्रॉम द डिजीज सिलिकोसिस. द सिलिकोसिस इज द नेम ऑफ द डिजीज. ओके, इफ अ पर्सन इज वर्किंग इन अ एस्बेस्टस शीट फैक्ट्री, जो एस्बेस्टस शीट होती हैं, at that time the person may be suffer from the disease asbestosis. Okay, that means this is also the name of the disease. One more common disease is there whose name is bisinopsis. Whose name is bisinopsis, and this disease occurs in the person those who are works in the cotton mill. That means these are some specific diseases which are related to a particular work area. So this is all about the chapter respiratory system. I hope you all understood the chapter and try to understand the things and watch the video. I will meet with you again in the next chapter with next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.